Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Talisha and welcome to Life with Talisha. Okay, so in this video I am going to I'm gonna make my baby a like a learning board. I got this idea, it inspired me from Facebook, and this the picture, y'all. That's what I'm finna try to, recreate for my baby. Because as of now, he doesn't have an ABA therapist at the moment. I had to switch some things up, but it's nothing to worry about. I am going to be teaching him myself. I am going to become the teacher. I bought this. So I got the board from Dollar Tree, but they didn't have no colorful ones because I wanted to get him a blue one, because I made blue his favorite color. He the blue heart. So I got this board too because at the top it look like they got an extra board at the top. Y'all probably can't see it, but whatever, y'all will see the aftermath. So I've got an extra little board to go across the top part because I'm like, oh, that ain't gonna fit. So it looks like maybe they had this. I don't know, child. I'm gonna figure that out. I'm gonna do that part last. I found a lot of stuff in Dollar Tree. Yeah, she was a goofy. Yep. Anyway, Dollar Tree got a good little, like a teacher section, like a education section, teacher section, whatever, and they have a lot of stuff where teachers can go get. So I got some glue. I saw these magnet pointers because I'm going to have him a little poster put on the refrigerator. It's gonna be laminated, and then these are magnets. So if he wants some at the refrigerator, I'm gonna teach him to just take a pointer and point to it, or stick it on there, point to it. So I thought that was pretty cool. I got some word strips. Some of this stuff I was just picking up because I was recording from my phone, so I couldn't look at my phone to see what I needed. And I just got this is an inflatable globe, because for some reason my baby loved looking at the maps on his iPad or on the phone. And so I don't know if he's interested in the maps or what it is, but hey, we gonna see where this goes. And it got the little hand thingies, because that's one of the things was on there, and it was a coincidence that they did have some shapes and colors, numbers. This is a poster, but I may have to tweak it and cut the numbers out, because gotta improvise, gotta make it do what it do, because I couldn't find the individuals. And I just got him a notebook because I want to start keeping all his important paperwork from his therapists, IEP appointments, doctor's appointments, whatever. I just want to get a hardback notebook to keep everything in, because he got a folder, but it ain't no room in that folder. Got some thumbtacks because I just needed thumbtacks anyway. And then I got these numbers. Unfortunately, these were the only, not numbers, letters. And these were the only color they had was black. Ugh. So we gotta make it do what it do. And what the other thing I just said? Oh, I found this I had went to another Dollar Tree just to see if they had something else, and this is a color wheel. So he can kind of like spin the wheel. So we'll do something fun with that too. So I'm gonna get started. I'm probably gonna do a little B-roll over this. So y'all just stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, comment, and let's get into it.
Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Getting shawty, don't look this down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life a Cupid. Had to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, trying to figure out where you been. All they need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily.
Okay, y'all, this is how the board looks. Got everything together. So, yeah. Yeah, so that's how the board looks. And it's been a few weeks since I made the board, y'all. I just never did close it out. And I got videos stacked up trying to keep up so I can make sure, you know what I'm saying, I'm putting out my content weekly like I promised. But anyway, so we worked on it a little bit. I'll be honest, I haven't fully gotten into it. And another thing I want to say is, even though I am going to be doing what I can on my part as his mom, as a parent, to help him to learn, understand, and thrive, he does have a therapist again, ABA therapist, and she'll be coming actually, by the time y'all see this video, it'll be Sunday, so it'll be 2 days and past. She'll been came, and so y'all may get to, I don't know, because I want to edit this video. But yeah, he got a therapist now, and she'll be coming twice a week because I have some important stuff I have to do, so he can't do it 5 days. He already doing speech therapy and OT therapy once a week on 2 separate days. So I feel like that's good enough. I don't want to overwhelm him because right now this is just new to him. But he does say as ABA therapist again. I'm going to give it a shot. And if he's still not, after so long, maybe a couple of months, if he's still just not giving into it, I think I'm going to try the actual school route to see how he does, maybe twice a week. But I'm going to give her a shot and see if you know, she has more experience, or he will take to her better, and you know, just, you know, they have a good connection, and he's open to learn with her, he listen to her, and all this good stuff. So we gonna see. But in the meantime, I made the board, child. So yeah, made the board, and I'm just gonna keep working with him on that because I feel like that's the basics. So when he does go to kindergarten, he will know the basics of what most kindergartners should know. You know what I'm saying? At bare minimum. But I feel like he knows a whole lot more. He just nonverbal. So that's why he's going to speech therapy and all of this stuff to help him to, you know, be able to communicate better. And then I can know what's his interests, what's his talents, like what he really like, what he don't like. I know certain stuff, but like I want to know. I want him to be verbally able to tell me. But yeah, anyway, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope I inspired someone. If you love this type of content, vlogs, lifestyle, motherhood, then join the family, join the babes, hit that subscribe button, turn on that post notification bell so you know when I upload, and drop a comment on what you think of the board. What you think? All right, so I'm out of here, y'all. I'll call y'all back.